Welcome dancehall again. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will talk about Footah hype and Skilli being performance, Shaniel Muir and her ex. Khago also disrespected Shaniel Muir regarding her ex again. The Prime Minister gave us a warning about the weather. But before we get started, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. So you're going to see performance by Tyler and Skilli in the next clip.
Original gal, you are no replica. Smoke dean, no regular, but if you real and pretty pa my cellular, you know say you hot.
After that, Footah went live and said Skilli a disgrace, say my sellout, and that Skilli need to come live and clear the air. Listen to this.
To protect the culture, you have to know what the culture stands for. And enough of them youth are run down the big stage and now keeping in them brain say you are an ambassador for Jamaica. Nobody now have to call you and tell us, Skilli, you're an ambassador for Jamaica. You know. You're up on the main stage and dance all you do. Springwater, big up yourself. So once you go in a rehearsal and you see them do that, first thing, why you have the whole of the man them up behind you and jiggle up themselves and the girl have all of the girl them with her in a one cage? That makes sense? Oh, that makes sense. So you not go in there with no rules for your thing. You're just frightened for the opportunity for go beat it. So you don't have no do's and don't. You don't have no rider for yourself where you tell them, say, listen, this can't work, you know. And this not gonna work else. Me nah do it. Even one at a time when you get uncomfortable and go way over the side of the stage there, and you start say, if you not ready, put up on her and she cut you off and start sing. Either two things, either she realize say I get uncomfortable and I try style you, or you yourself figure say a fear time for jump in on the song to how you get frustrated and be things that go through your brain. So either two things. Cause when me count the bar in the rhythm, I actually a fear time for jump on the rhythm. So unless you lose the focus, that's a shit.
Alright, tell me your thoughts about that in the comments. Next, we have Shaniel Muir went live to address her ex. Same always a talk about a lie about her. And she came to clear the air.
Yeah. Show me know you is a liar. For this specific day, yeah. For this specific day, yeah. Me I go show you something. You say you have voice note, and the voice note you have with me, better you play it. Better you did play it. Give me a ear.
I know you say everything on the other Shaniel, but listen on. Yeah, sure, I say it really hard. Alright, so I just happy. You see, I can't jump out. You understand? I just have to try to lift Jamaica. Because this, I just don't like how I feel. Whereas I say, oh, yeah, I can't take things on this me.
So Travis, if you go the meds museum, you go meds. Listen, Travis, what make you do me what you do me over this money business? If you so how you feel say me supposed to react to it. So me supposed to know say me not responsible for something. Zine, and me take up my money same way. What?
Daniel, I have to say nothing about the ring.
What you mean me never have to say nothing about the ring, Travis? What you mean me never have to say nothing about the ring?
Already, you just feel like a lie. Me, I tell you about me.
Travis, you tell me how much lie. Me ask you, did I not? When me take out the passport, listen. When me take out the passport, listen. When I took the passport out of the drawer the morning when we got the airport, I'm looking there, I'm not see the ring. I'm say to you, say, Travis, where is the ring? What did you say to me? you well remember what you said. Tell me what you said.
Yes, I remember when I said Shaniel.
So what make you call my father, Travis, and tell my father, say, me come over your yard, can take $1.1 million out of your draw when nothing no go so. What make you do that?
Listen, I tell him, father. Say me I have a problem over money. And he ask me, say, how much money you have to give me? And I tell him, say, 1.1 mil.
How me fi give you $1.1 million, Travis?
Johnny, listen, bro, I said, before this money even come into place, see, remember, you know, say, me not have no money. See,
Travis, but what? Make it end. Make it end. End it, ya so. Done it, ya so. Because I know where this is going on. I know where it a go reach, you know. I mean, I tell us if I make it end. Stop tell lie pa me. Stop lying. Make it end. You lie too much. You are lying way too much. You lie too much. You sit down on the live, but me glad me make them watch your live before me talk, you know. And you sit down there talk a bag of lie, you know. You lie too much, brother. You lie till you not remember the lie them what you are telling, you know. Stop it, brother, and make it end yourself.
After that, Khago felt the need to go and disrespect and disgrace Shaniel, talk about her breast long and nobody no wants her. So now take a look at this and think.
Shaniel Muir, me attack. Long breast Shaniel Muir. Big foot Shaniel Muir. Your foot bigger than a macadamia, man. You understand? Me defend you with your mother. Curse your mama for you. And look how you come and deal with us now. Look how you come and deal with us. Just us. You come and deal with us and I go on like your band, pussy clot rich. Your Rick Star, what you do, Rick Star? You think we're sorry for eat that gal? You think we're busy about gal and their money, Rick Star? Me see how some man come and talk about, and look how me that want you. That gal if you go suck herself. Granny say when chicken a go big you look on their foot. None of we as man no want you. You have to go find one white man. White man, you have to go find one cocked white man. Because no white man, no man. Let me tell you something. And this, let me tell you, I'm going to be honest with you. When man make money, man go in at the market and find a girl and take up a girl. Man just frankly look the part. But when uno make little dollar, uno talk about no man no in a no leg. No man no. Well, let me tell you something. Uno no in our league need that. Because your mouth are no fear. And you know no manners. And two bull can reel in a one pen. And me tell you no the other day, say, let me tell you something. Before you look at girl, find out who her mother is. Find out who her mother is. The other day when we see the girl mother are real and a like bull buck. And we sorry for this bitch. Look how she behave. You know, see me tell you, say, woman is just like their mama will raise them. And when their mama raise them, 99% of them is the same way. Look how she a gone and a rub little money. The youth can get richer morning. Shaniel Muir, go suck yourself. Big foot girl, long breast girl. Your breast them can't even suck. Your breast them can't lay down and suck. And turn up, you have to turn up. And man, they way out there so. And only catch you up and tick for sucky. Go suck. Hey, that girl Shaniel Muir. You know me did kinda like you. But me see your mother disrespect you. Me are the only artist come out and defend me. But for you, how you deal with that youth, yeah. Shaniel, you're not able to look blood clot good. You should have give thanks that you have a voice, pussy wall. Not even gully bapping in prime as an artist, no blood clot want you.
Because we find better girl in a supermarket. We find better girl down a Coronation Market. We find prettier blood clot girl more than you down a St. Elizabeth in a Skilli and Field. Pussy old boy, you're a top girl. Which part of you a top girl? You come and talk about the man have all your boat. Why you wear your blood clot fat and ugly of a pay man to fuck? Look at you. You feel give God thanks that you have a good blood clot vocals. Your breast them longer than for granny ras goat. Your breast longer than for blood clot manish water down a reggae sunfest 3 a.m. That you know say water down 6 times already. Hush up your fucking mouth and come off a app. You act like say you are the first girl get fuck and dump. Spice no get fuck and dump. Lady Sa no get it. Maca Diamond get it. Hush your fucking mouth up. All chance get it.
So after that, Shaniel posts a video of him saying those things about her. I don't want to see a comment section deal with the more show. No? Destiny a bigger up. Somebody has said Shaniel and Khago take the same man. They this but wicked. But the Footah give a warning to Jaiifrais with the whole Valiant situation and say somehow we are going to get more beaten. But I want to look on a video. I want to tell me what I think in the comment section. Watch this.
And somehow, you know, I go get more of this. I look one to get him back and play with. I don't know if I shit belly, I hype him up. Him talk tough. Oh, me dog them. And then the man this me dog them. You're not no dog, man. I flee you have on some ticks. You gotta talk yourself into a proper beating. Me see that come already. You gotta talk yourself in a one proper flagging. I mean, I know who I gas you. I don't know if I shit belly I gas you or what, but me sit down and me ashamed me. I said, this idiot here.
There has been a storm update. It's now at a category 5. Everybody be prepared, stay safe. But the Prime Minister said that we're supposed to take it serious, but it's not a threat. So listen to what he said.
I am encouraging all Jamaicans to take the hurricane as a serious threat. It is, however, not a time for panic. It is a time for us to be very strategic and calculated in our approach. We have 48 hours in which to prepare. Within that 48 hours, a lot could change. But we are taking this precautionary stance now because it is easier to be prepared when you're standing on your 2 feet than when you are in the midst of a hurricane struck down. So we're being, not overly cautious, not in a panic mode, but we are being very strategic in our response, and we want to convey that to the general public. You have enough time, enough notice to take the necessary precautions.
Alright, that's it for now, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.